Onon nana onon wawa aina fnau tada.
Rushing around like a puppy.
Ontho shâikharâ.
First commencement makes great efficiency.
Pamkong shonronaga jangpong garu sira yao tere.
Climb up ceiling mounted rack by hipping stool, you'll see glowworm.
Pamrei sakakui tada.
Make dull in sluggish.
Pangata masi kongrali ngararpâilâ.
Is it possible to make war with storm for being strong?
Parei gahar Khumkui ngapat shâra.
Pillow of couple shall not be too short.
Parei gahar nganang shakzâ Pawungna.
Husband and wife are to be together in conflict.
Pareinaoli yomakha mirin mazangmana.
He who discriminates women will not live long.
Parei sadai kana shimkur mahaye. Parei tangmaya na shimkur ngashima.
Harsh wife ejects family. Wise wife unites family.
Parei vana jinrangrang hauda haitongli rapid mamimidra.
Divorce fine has not been imposed over vulva for her being hatred.
Parki kajena shupa.
To pick something instead of collecting much.
Pawungna mashuithei kahon thâhâira.
As an owl expecting the never-ripening fruit of pricky and itching tree, expect for nothing.
Pawung tada.
Like an owl.
Paina aka apaita hawe.
Easy going, easy falling off.
Paida za paida kan. Paire kajang paida kajang.
Easy come, easy go, as easy as falling off.
Paire kajang paida kajang.
As easy as falling off.
Parei sai pingwi aina mashuithei shoge.
Truth comes out from eccentric person.
Pangkamasik tada.
Like washing hands.
Pangta khare riyanga.
Look for the first blow, be it on the first blow.
Pawyi rakhanshai tada.
Such hearsay about good rice beer and delicious meat of Pawyi.
Papai khanong tada zatare. Karun khare.
How long it be, like peeling of stradum corneum.
Biao sor majiro. Biao da jida hai bashine.
Don't exaggerate, lest it be fallen.
Haru khamai mathi gathai tada.
Discontentment lies as snake's tail hard to die.
Pareo para tada.
As cheerful as Parei bird.
Pakwai sare.
Everything is for good. Anyhow, good will be there.
Pakora kana kai.
Wall has ears.
Parki gaji now hanka aina shakuye.
The seemingly good child learns from one's admonition.
Pang rai zadaka kajam dako.
Careless work leads to falling down.
Passage ka papai sare.
All is possible if we desire to be good.
Fuyom da shajom chipata katade karata ngapat ko.
Set defame others self-harm, set deceit others self-ending.
Haganan magakui.
No foothold after being spent much efforts. Nothing comes after being weary.
Paiteka aina mikpiawa saren kui khangpai gatha.
Dispute for head of beast as rightful between the lame and the blind.
Pai yikachang khamor yikachang ma.
A wet foot, a wet chest mouth.
Phumchifu mamata ka kasai nauna zaining zairu ko.
If burial ceremony is not done well, the departed spirit is annoyed and causes troubles.
Phumshai nau khanganau thâhâira.
Like bringing up an abandoned child.
Pirira Khumkui khangarak, pamrira pamkong khangarak katha.
As shaky below while sleeping, as shaky sit while sitting.
Piusa Nâpilâ kukrayuse mikshibo.
Let's sleep little nose invites male. Let's embrace deep eye female response.
Urumna kaphungare minaka ki sashito gaji tada. Kara kapungri yongsanga ka ki mangshito gaji tada.
Like the dot frog wondering what to eat during landslide and what to drink while jumping inside the pool.
Quiri tada auk si rakkaina.
A belly as large and ugly as that of a munia.